Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Sub. I shall explain question number 10 that has been taken from exercise 6.5 chapter 6 maxima and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is find the maximum value of 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval close interval 1 comma 3 close interval. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that. Here I shall write given that let f of x equal to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 comma for all x belong to close interval 1 comma 3 close interval. Again I shall write implied that differentiating f of x with respect to x, we shall get implied that d over dx of f of x equal to 2 dot d over dx of x cube minus 24 dot d over dx of x plus d over dx of 107 implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x equal to 2 d over dx of x cube comes out to be 3x square minus 24 will be written in bracket. D over dx of x comes out to be 1 plus d over dx of 107 comes out to be 0. Again I shall write implied that f dash of x equal to 3 to the 6 x square minus 24 for maxima or minima put f dash of x equal to 0. So here I shall write implied that 6x square minus 24 equal to 0. Implied that x square equal to 24 over 6 comes out to be x square equal to 4. Again I shall write x square equal to 4 implied that x equal to plus minus 2. The value of x we have got plus 2 or minus 2. Again I shall write again f dash of x equal to 6x square minus 24 implied that f double dash of x equal to 6 I shall write in bracket d over dx of x square minus d over dx of 24 implies that here f double dash of x is the second order derivative of f of x. F double dash of x is equal to 6 d over dx of x square comes out to be 2x minus d over dx of 24 comes out to be 0. Again I shall write f double dash of x equal to 12x. We have got. Now here we have got x equal to plus minus 2. So we have not to find out second order derivative here. That's why I am going to erase this one. Here I shall write the critical point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. Now judge here it is given that x belong to closed interval 1 comma 3. This means that value of x must be in between 1 and 3. Means the value of x must be between 1 and 3. That so x equal to 2 I shall take, because here you can see x equal to minus 2. The x equal to minus 2 will not fall in between 1 and 3, whereas x equal to 2 will fall in between 1 and 3. That's why value of x I shall take here 2 as the required critical point. Now what I shall do here, I have to find out the maximum value. Therefore I shall write f of x equal to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107. So here I shall write at x equal to 2 implies that f of 2 equal to 2 in bracket 2 का whole cube minus 24 in bracket 2 plus 107. Again I shall write implies that f of 2 equal to, just calculate 2 here, 2 raised to the power 3 comes out to be 8 minus 24 to the 48 plus 107 implies that f of 2 equal to 16 minus 48 plus 107 implies that f of 2 equal to, just calculate this one, 48 minus 16 I shall get here minus here 8 minus 6 comes out to be 2, 4 minus 1 comes out to be 3 plus 107. Again I shall write implied that f of 2 107 here 107 what will do 107 here you will get 5 here you will get I shall write 5 7 is it correct? Is it correct? Huh? Now I shall check the answer from the key point here. Just go through, check whether this is correct or not. Explained in detail. But where? Yes, at x equal to 2, critical point you have got 75. This is correct. But what about other point? I have not mentioned here. You have to think over x equal to 2. But what about x equal to 3? X equal to 3, it will become y. Y x equal to 3 it will become. From this statement, we have got x equal to plus 2 because here minus 2 will not be counted as close interval 1 comma 3 close interval given. So from this statement we have got plus 2, this is not agreed to, and x equal to plus 2 that is okay. But here you can see x equal to 1. X belong to close interval 1 comma 3 close interval. This means that value of x will be 1. The value of x will be value of x 1 will not be counted as the critical point x equal to plus 2 is given. So I shall omit x equal to 1. In between fall x equal to 2, I have mentioned here x equal to 2. But here x equal to 3 we have got. Isn't it? So here I shall write at x equal to 3 implied that f of 3 we shall write 2 3 raised power 3 minus 24 3 plus 107. So here just calculate 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 27 multiplied to 2 comes out to be 54. Here you will get, just calculate this one. Here you will get 2 or here you will get 72 plus 107. F of 3 I have taken, implied that f of 3 is equal to 72 minus 54, calculate 72 minus 54, you will get here 12 minus 4, 8, 1, 18 will get. What we would do here? Here I shall write minus 18. Minus 18 plus 107. I think it is correct. Where you will I shall get f of 3 is equal to 107 minus 18. How much you will get? 9 I think. Or here 9 minus 1 8, 89. This will be the correct answer, this will be correct answer. So here at x equal to 2, f of 2 we have got 75. Here at x equal to 3 we have got 89. Now what thing is going to be asked here? You can judge here. Maximum value in the close interval 1 comma 3 close interval. So which one is greater out of 75 and 89? Which one is greater? 89. So what shall I shall write correct answer here? I shall write At last answer implied that the max value of f of x, max value of the max value of f of x is 89 at x is equal to 3. This will be the correct answer. The maximum value of f of x will be 89 at x equal to 3. This thing I am going to erase. This is also in rough work. They are available there. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 10 that has been taken from exercise 6.5 chapter 6 maxima and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay, thanks.